All right, so closing out our second lesson here today, I think you did very well.
Thank you.
You know, we covered a lot of the pre-swing fundamentals, the in-swing fundamentals, and again, I think what we talked about with the pre-swing fundamentals with both chipping and pitching is kind of the same thing as the full swing fundamentals. You mentioned to me, you know, this is something you should probably do prior to your round before hitting the range.
Yeah.
Just to kind of get the pre-swing, get the posture and set in place, get the aim, alignment, but also, you know, what we talked about with the tempo with your pitching.
Yeah.
Start short, get the tempo right with the pitching, and then take it to your full swing. But I think you did very well today. I think one thing we opened your eyes to is using a little bit more a range of clubs.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, maybe using that 8-iron around the green instead of the pitching wedge and 56 and 60 all the time.
Yeah.
You know, adding a few more clubs to the bag in the short game. You know, when we did, for example, when we did the practice with the chipping green, when we did the 8-iron versus the pitching wedge, I think both were successful.
Yeah.
I think in the grand scheme of it all, I think you're going to have more success with that 8-iron. As we talked about when we were hitting the chip shots, you know, it was a little bit less effortless with the 8-iron because you're making a smaller swing, you're getting the ball rolling, and I mean, for you, obviously you're a better player, but, you know, you have the opportunity to maximize your success and a lot less opportunity for error when you're using a shorter swing, chipping it, getting it running. I think that's just something you need to practice, and I think that's something you're going to have success with.
Yeah, especially with those longer short game shots, it seems like that's something, like if it was a little farther distance of what we had with that pitching, it just seems like it's something that 8-iron makes total sense instead of trying to force that higher lofted club.
Exactly.
Yeah.
No, I think we did very well today. Took a lot of information. Hopefully you'll, like I said, you know, next time you go out and practice, you know, have constructive practice.
Yeah.
You know, I really want you to focus on, you know, making your practice meaningful. Taking that alignment stick, taking the, you know, you can get one of the chipping rings from one of the teachers, from one of the pro shops.
Yeah.
Go in there, grab it, head out there, hit some shots. Hit, you know, like I was saying, hit 10 shots with the pitching wedge, hit 10 shots with the 8-iron. When you're chipping, when you're going over to pitch the ball, hit 10 shots low, hit 10 shots high. See where your success is coming from. You know, which one am I getting more success out of?
Yeah.
But I think you did very well today.
Thank you.
And we'll see you next time for the next lesson.
Yep. Thank you
All
very
right.
much.
Thanks, Chris.
Yep.